Here's some assembly line trivia. Subscribe. Which Ford model was first mass-produced? Is it A, Ford Fusion, B, Mustang, C, Model A, or D, Model T? The correct answer is D, Model T. Who is known for developing the assembly line? Is it A, Andrew Carnegie, B, Nikola Tesla, C, Henry Ford, or D, Thomas Edison? The correct answer is C, Henry Ford. In which year was the assembly line introduced by Ford? Is it A, 1930, B, 1913, C, 1905, or D, 1922? The correct answer is B, 1913. Who was a famous engineer and assembly line proponent? Is it A, Thomas Edison, B, Nikola Tesla, C, Frederick Taylor, or D, Charles Lindbergh? The correct answer is C, Frederick Taylor. Which iconic model made car ownership affordable? Is it A, Chevrolet Camaro, B, Model T Ford, C, Honda Civic, or D, Plymouth Barracuda? The correct answer is B, Model T Ford. What type of assembly line has workers continuously rotating tasks? Is it A, job shop line, B, continuous flow line, C, rotating assembly line, or D, modular assembly line? The correct answer is C, rotating assembly line. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.